Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Anthony, and this is the Wrenched Out Experiment. Thank you for tuning in. So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about what we're doing with the YouTube channel and what is going on. So if you guys are new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. We have done a lot of changes since 2018, and we've got a lot of really cool new changes coming. As a part of those changes, we did take off the wrenched out garage. So if you guys are interested in the Camaro, the V-Rod, the garage style, as you can see the garage behind me, we've kind of redid quite a bit of stuff in the garage, and we're doing a lot of stuff with our vehicles, and that is on its own channel. So make sure and check that out. I'll put a link down on the bottom. I'll even try to link it up on the top, and that's the Wrenched Out Garage. So if you're a gearhead like I am, make sure and check that out. Now, the Wrenched Out Experiment, we've done a lot of things over the last short amount of time, which include the 22 builds. We've done a lot of, or have tried to be a little bit more proactive in the firearm world, as YouTube has recently changed some of their guidelines and some of the stuff that they're doing. So what we're doing, and what we've done to the channel is on our main page, we have our EDC firearm stuff now, we've got our tech stuff, and then we've got the Wrenched Out Garage and Business Block. Now, I haven't gotten to Business Block quite yet. I am trying to focus a little bit more on the Wrenched Out Experiment side of things, which includes, you know, more of me as a person and doing some of the stuff that I enjoy doing instead of just diving into reviews or into gun builds or whatever it is. Now, recently, due to weather here in Alaska, I haven't been able to get out as often as I'd like. I was planning on going out to the shooting range, and unfortunately that didn't happen. However, as you can see, check out the Wrenched Out Garage. We've done a lot of work on that YouTube channel. I know the desk is a mess behind me, but we've got some cool install videos and a lot of cool stuff going there. But a new thing that we're gonna be doing on this channel is with the Wrenched Out Experiment, under the Wrenched Out Experiment playlist, is gonna be just really simple and basic, almost vlog style things, to where when I go to shoot video, you know, here's a good example right here. Let's kind of cut into some of the footage when we went down to Homer, Alaska. So we spent a few days down in Homer, and I got kind of caught up on the creative side on, do I do a vlog? Do I did use some of the content for flying the drone, but more or less what I'm gonna start doing is kind of a vlog, but not the way that I was doing the Martini Project vlog. This is gonna be more of an impromptu when I'm setting up and shooting for stuff that I wanna shoot and doing stuff that I enjoy, which includes, you know, shooting stuff for the Wrenched Out Garage, getting the drone up. I've got the 3DR charged up, and hopefully we're gonna get out with that here in the next couple of weeks as well. Unfortunately, there's been high winds and some unpredictable weather here, so I haven't been out with the drone as often as I would like. But with that being said, the Wrenched Out Experiment playlist itself is going to feature more stuff than just the drone. It's going to feature, stuff that I'm shooting with the GoPros. I do have some cool ideas and some cool videos that I'm going to set up here, and we're going to shoot some different styles of video just to give you guys kind of ideas of what you can do when creating content, no matter what it is. I'm also going to include kind of more of the me part of it, instead of trying to be so structured and built off of it. But regardless of that, I do want to thank everybody that is supporting the Wrenched Out Experiment. We're continuing to grow, and it takes every one of you guys and all of your support, so we do appreciate that. In addition to that, we do have, like I said, a lot of cool ideas and concepts and videos that we're gonna start building. I also have some old videos that I've got to still put up that I just haven't had time to. I didn't have time to build them. They're we'll see how they come out, but I've got our computer upgrade video to the main desktop that we use to edit and cut all of these videos that you guys see on here. I've got those videos I need to still cut. I have a handful of others that are going to be coming out soon. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. But 2018, if you guys haven't seen us on Instagram, we're very active there and on Facebook as well. So if you guys have any questions or comments, or you're just in the mood to check out something different, make sure and check out those. Now, Instagram, I've gone a little bit of a different, down a different road. I do include some of the stuff here, but a lot of the Instagram stuff that I'm featuring right now is more motivational. It helps me stay on track. A lot of the times I'll be at the gym, and as I'm trying to cut weight and I'm trying to do a lot of things differently. I guess my eyes have opened quite a bit over the last couple of years, and part of it's due to creating content, watching some of my old content. A lot of personal things have happened, business things have happened, and thing that I'm very, happy about and excited about is, I listen to a lot of business and personal podcasts. I've read a lot of books. It's really started to kind of change my thought process on just pretty much everything. So if you're on my Instagram, you're gonna see a lot of feeds, especially when I'm at the gym. I go to the gym in the mornings, sometimes in the evenings, depending on where I'm at and what I'm doing. And a cool part about that, at least for me, is I get there, I'm working out, and then it just starts to come out, why am I there? What business stuff is going on? And I don't know why, but it's just how it is. So check out our Instagram. I am gonna start trying to incorporate some of that positive energy and some of that creative next move forward kind of mentality into these videos as well. So I'm really, not only am I excited, but I am happy. I really am happy to be evolving this Wrenched Out Experiment. And that's really what it is. I mean, from the beginning, if you guys have watched some of our older videos, you've seen it change. You've seen the content change. You've seen me as pretty much the primary host of the channel, hopefully change for the better as well. And now, 2018, the primary goal is to really give it all that I have, and do the things that I want to do, because I feel like through time you get kind of bogged in different directions depending on what you're doing, and this was one of them. So that's kind of my quick and short rant. A couple shameless plugs here real quick. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button down below or at the end of the video, whatever suits you best. Again, if you're a gearhead like I am, you want to check out the Camaro, the V-Rod, jump over to our Wrenched Out Garage channel. I can't tell you enough about that. We are uploading content there, which has also been part of the delay for this channel as I started to build that one. That's going very well. We do our garage talk segments, which are kind of weekly. It's just where I'm talking about automotive stuff or garage stuff, in which we are going to start including a similar thing, which is going to be the Wrenched Out Experiment stuff. So make sure to check out Wrenched Out Garage. If you haven't subscribed to Wrenched Out Experiment, make sure and hit that button because we got a lot of really cool stuff coming. And we've already done quite a bit of stuff on the channel, especially if you're into firearms, you're into tech stuff, you're just kind of an all-around guy or woman that's just enjoys a plethora of different things. That's what the channel is. It really is an experiment, and it's mine. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.